All right, good day. Yeah, each should have gotten this file, and on the file it's broken up into 4 tabs. So I'm going to go to the A1, and here I told you to put your name and class as cell address A3. Once you've done that, I want you to highlight user, hours online, and this data right here. Next step, you're going to go to insert, chart. Notice that this chart opens up. I'm going to go over here in the setup, click, change it from a column chart to a 3D pie. Once I got the 3D pie, I go to customize, go to pie chart. In pie chart, I look for the word slice label, select value in percent. That one's done. Go to my B, scroll up. In cell address A2, you put your name and class. You change that. When you finish with that, you highlight the data of the player and score. Insert, chart. You're going to change it from a column to a 3D pie chart. When I made the 3D pie chart, customize, pie chart, slice label, value in percent. Move that out of the way. Go to chart C. Chart C, you're going to cell address A2, change, put your name and class there, highlight player, round 1, round 2, round 3, and those scores. Insert, chart. You're going to make a column chart. Now, notice that it made a stack column. I must change it from that. So I click, and I look for this one here that says column chart. Now, I need to add the data labels. So to add the data labels, I'm going to go to customize, and I'm going to look for the word series. In the word series, I scroll down, look for data labels. That's the data labels. Last one. I gave you a separate email that you have to enter the formula that goes in here. Okay? You look at that email to finish doing the formulas for the average, the average, the average, the average. So there's another paper in your email I sent you with a picture where it has the formula you have to type in those cell addresses. Okay? You will also highlight the 4 sets of data, player, round 1, round 2, round 3, and the scores. Go to insert, chart, change it from a stack column to a column chart. Go to customize, look for the word series, check data labels, move that out of the way, enter that data there, right? And then you're going to hit share and send it to my email. That's what I need y'all to do. And also, when you hit share and send it to my email, on the Google Class page where it says class work, right here, under graphing and spreadsheets, I also need y'all to turn in the assignment. See where it says turned in? You have to go there and turn it in. Now, to turn in this assignment, there's one last thing you have to do when you're turning it in on the Google class sheet. You have to go to File, Download as a PDF. When you do it as a PDF file and hit Export, and then you go here, Show in Finder, you need this is the PDF file that you need to put on this page when you're turning it in. so that I can enter a grade on this form once I see you posted it. Okay? That's how you're going to do it 2 ways, and you're going to email it to me.